Hello again. I just wanted to be here
It's not
again.
even, but it's always fair.
I just had so much fun yesterday sitting here. I was eager for more fun. And you're just so sparkly and just looking into your eyes and the focus, it's just amazing. I'm talking to infinite source.
You're talking to infinite source who is infinitely interested in what you have to
I
say.
know, it's awesome. How could you not want more and more and more and more? I don't feel sorry. I feel selfish, so.
So spit it out.
So, how is it that when we learn this, the momentum goes faster than what we can keep up with, so things are more uncomfortable? So, for example, I was driving along and hit a pothole and blew two tires, not just one. And
But what you're describing, and now justifying by further explanation, what you're describing is not accurate. The question is better this: when life causes me to ask for more, how can I turn in the direction of the more quickly? And the answer is by being more aware of your emotions and more sensitive to them and more responsive to them. So that's why we've been really talking about satisfaction. You must get in touch with what the feeling of satisfaction is, and then you must intend to be feeling more of it for yourself.
So I'm probably not thinking about my feelings, and I'm just doing something and not saying, does that really feel good or not?
And so quite a bit of momentum gets going before you have a response to it. Jerry used to describe it this way: sitting in front of a fireplace in his beautiful cashmere sweater, in front of a chinkapin log that sends a spark on his sweater. And if he goes like that immediately, his sweater is fine. But if he doesn't, then the spark burns a hole in his sweater. Not a perfect analogy, but the idea is the faster you acknowledge that you are in something less than the satisfaction mode or less than the receiving mode, then the more quickly you can return to your natural thoughts of well-being, and therefore not allow the momentum of what is not wanted to get going more. It's just managing your gap, that's all.
Okay. Awesome. And I'd love a rampage.
All in good time.
Okay.
Enough?
But I wanted to sit here, but that's okay. I'll sit at my seat and listen to the rampage then.
You know, your proximity is not important. It is just your openness.
I know.
You don't even have
But
to
it's
be
so fun being
in
right
this
here.
room.
Thank you.
Yeah.